magical kingdom of Flutterland, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Butterfly. Princess Butterfly had beautiful wings that shimmered in every color of the rainbow, and she loved to spend her days exploring the enchanting meadows and talking to the flowers.
One bright and sunny day, as Princess Butterfly was fluttering through the meadow, she stumbled upon a mysterious glade she had never seen before. In the center of the glade stood a majestic old tree with a door at its base. Curiosity sparkled in Princess Butterfly's eyes as she pushed the door open and entered. To her surprise, the inside of the tree was a cozy, magical library filled with books that seemed to glow with a soft light. In the center of the room, a wise old owl named Oliver was perched on a branch, reading. "Welcome, Princess Butterfly," hooted Oliver. "I've been waiting for someone like you. The Magic Book of Harmony has chosen you to embark on a special quest to bring joy to Flutterland." Princess Butterfly was thrilled at the idea of a quest. She listened intently as Oliver explained that the Magic Book of Harmony had lost its pages, and without them, the kingdom's magic would begin to fade. The missing pages were scattered across Flutterland, hidden in places only a brave and kind princess could reach. Determined to restore the magic to her kingdom, Princess Butterfly spread her wings and set off on her quest. Her first stop was the enchanted forest, where mischievous fairies loved to play trick. With her kindness and gentle words, Princess Butterfly convinced the fairies to return the missing pages they had hidden among the leaves. Next, she visited the crystal caves, where the tricky gnomes had taken a liking to the shiny pages. Through her cleverness and quick thinking, Princess Butterfly outsmarted the gnomes and retrieved the precious pages. As Princess Butterfly journeyed through Flutterland, she encountered various challenges and made new friends along the way. She met a helpful squirrel named Nutty, who guided her through the whispering woods, and a gentle unicorn named Stardust, who offered his magical horn to light up the dark cave where the final pages were hidden. After many adventures, Princess Butterfly collected all the missing pages and returned to the magical library in the old tree. With the pages back in the Magic Book of Harmony, a brilliant light filled the room, and the entire kingdom of Flutterland glowed with magic. The grateful inhabitants of Flutterland celebrated Princess Butterfly's success with a grand feast. The flowers danced, the fairies sprinkled their magic dust, and even the grumpy trolls cracked smiles. From that day forward, Princess Butterfly became a beloved ruler known for her kindness and bravery. The Magic Book of Harmony remained in the Enchanted Library, ready to choose another hero or heroine when the need arose.